Welcome once again, guys. I'm super excited to have you here on my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you free website where you can download and sell ebook. Free website where you can download and sell ebook. Now, before that, let me just share with you what ebook means. Ebook means electronic book. That's just a simple way we can explain ebook, and it can come in text and it can also come in images. So when you get this free ebook, you can easily download it and sell them on a website that I'm going to be sharing with you today. So let's just go to the website as I show you how we can download and set up a selling platform to sell those books. So I'll advise you guys that have been looking for opportunities to make money online. This is a good opportunity. This is a good way in which you can improve your income. And now, one of the good things about this information I'm sharing with you is that you are selling value. And once you sell value online, you make a lot of money. Imagine you are helping somebody through value. That means you are not just making money, but you are selling information, valuable information that is going to help thousands and millions of people all over the world. You are not only selling to just your fellow brothers and sisters, you are selling for someone you don't know in and outside the country. So imagine you are selling on Amazon. You're selling a free ebook that you got on this site on Amazon, and you are making money on a daily, on a weekly, on a yearly basis. You're making money. So you may be thinking that I don't have a job. These are information that you can just download and you can proofread. You can edit and add to it, and you can sell them online and make money. So most people have brought this information online for those that are looking for ways to sell them and make money for themselves. They are all free. It's not that you are getting them by paying money for them. You are getting it for free. So it's a free information. So let's just go through this website and as I show you how you can get started. So here's the website. Free PLR download. Download free PLR and MRR products. So when we click on this, you see what it's all about. So on the home page, this is how the home page looks like. You can see this is the about. If you want to know more about them, you can see ebook, free PLR books, ebooks. You can download softwares, free PLR softwares. You can download videos and so much. So you can also see download tutorials. So this website is going to show you ways in which you can make money by selling free ebooks. So on the right hand side here, these are free information that you can download. So on the right side here, you're going to see categories. You can see niches. So these are thousands of niches that you can download. There I'm going to be sharing with you the niches that I advise you guys that you should download, and it will really help you to sell fast, because that is what we want to do, how we can sell fast and get customers. So on this place, you can see addiction is a good niche that you can sell. We have 5 topics. You can see advertising, affiliates, marketing is a good niche. Many people want to learn about affiliate marketing. You can sell. We have 41 topics. Amazon, many people don't know more about how they can sell on Amazon. We have 3 topics. That is a good topic. Beauty is a good topic. Copywriting, 15 topics. So we have 15 topics on copywriting. Many people are looking for information on how they can become copywriters, so you can sell those ebooks. Email marketing is a hot niche. We have 36 topic. We have dating is a hot topic. So we have health niche, it's also a hot topic. Job. Many people don't know how to write CVs. They don't know how to arrange their CVs in order to make and to get a job. So you can download information on this. Relationship is a good. We have 55 topics. Is a good niche to download. SEO, search engine optimization. We have 26 topics. So just look at the topics that will be okay for you. But these topics I just mentioned are hot selling topics that you can sell. Shopify is also a topic that you can maybe want to learn about how to sell products on Shopify. So you can download it. So let's just go through this one. Let's go through advertising. Now you can see this online advertising for startups. So this is a book that once someone gets it, you want to buy it, because most people are looking for ways to sell online. Most people that are startups are looking for how they can easily start an online business. So you selling this information to them is going to be an opportunity for them to sell more and to know how they can go step by step of how they can get started selling online. Selling online is different from selling offline. Most people don't know that, because when you sell online, if you have to follow the rules and regulations as a startup. Selling offline, you don't need to even have much rules and regulation. You just to get your space, your shop, and think about it and what you want to sell, and you start selling. Before you know, people start buying from you. Selling online, you need to be strategic. You need to put all your information and details before you can be able to sell online. So let's just open this and see what is on the file. So it is a 53 pages book. So you can go through it. So you download here. So when the download has been completed, you can easily open it and you proofread. If you want to add, you can add and remove, and with that you can post it on the site that I'm going to be sharing with you for sale. So it's downloading. So you have thousands of information that you can sell and make money. So most people are complaining that they've been trying to make money online, but this is a good opportunity. So you open this and click on this. It's already in PDF format. So this is how the cover looks like. Online advertising for startups. So you can go through it. This is the table of content, very important. What is a niche and why does it matter? So if you're a startup, the first and only thing you have to first think about is what do you want to sell. So you need to know where you belong. You need to know the category of what you want to sell. So this is the niche. So this book is a very good book that even as you're watching this video as a startup, get this book and read it step by step of how you can get started. So the next one is why you should get more specific when choosing your niche. The power of creating your own niche. So you can just go through it and see what it is. Imagine you are selling this and you can see you'll be making money. Look at the introduction, look at how it is. So it's already done for you, just for you to pick and sell. So let's go to the website where you can sell them. It's called seller.co. So on seller.co, you have the opportunity to sell digital products online. So when you have a digital product, stuff like this ebook, you can sell them on this site. So let's go through the site. You can see trusted by over 400,000 users all over the world. So look at this part. Digital products, sell any and every kind of digital product, from content pack to design to bundles and more without stress. Seller is the best platform to sell your ebook, both downloadable and non-downloadable in any format. This is where we are focused on. So we want to sell ebook. So this site is highly recommended for you to sell. So just go and set up your account and post your products. So if you want to start, just click here. You input username, the username you want to be using, your email address, your full name, and your password. As soon as you input it, you create your account. And when you create your account, the downloadable format of the PDF, I'll advise you before you post it here, you can easily add some little things. Just go through it, edit, and add to it to make it your own personal intellectual property. Then you can now post it on seller.co and start selling. You can sell it for those that are outside the country in dollars. If you're in Nigeria, you can put in dollars. If you're in Nigeria, you put in naira. If you're in any other country, you put according to the currency. Look at it here, sell 8 currencies. So you can sell according to your currency and you make a lot of money. Sell any kind of digital product on this site. So this site is highly recommended. And so you can also sell it on your Facebook page. You can sell it on your WhatsApp. It depends on how, but on seller.co, it is strictly digital selling of products. So pick this website and start selling. And you see that you're selling a lot of value for people all over the world. So thank you guys for joining me in this video. If you find this video informative and educative, just click on the like button. If you have any question on this video, just send in your question. I'll be willing to answer you guys. Thank you for having you once again. See you guys in the next video.